Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC Printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove paper scraps on this device. Firstly, you should open Settings, then choose Maintenance. Remove paper scraps and click Next. So here you have information about how to do that. So first we need to open the manual fit slot. So I'll show how to do that. So here we have the manual slot. Okay, it's here, as you can see. And insert the one paper card in landscape orientation. Cool. And click Start and wait a while. Cool, that's it. And now we just need to pull the paper tray. Pull out the paper tray, and here remove any paper pieces you can see here. And then just click Next. Then open the scanner cover and remove any paper scraps you have inside. To open the scanner, here on this side of printer you have the place to open it, and here just inside of the printer you can see the pieces of paper scraps, and remove it from your printer. Then close scanner and click Close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!